to show you today how to make single fold binding around a diamond shape with awkward angles. This is for our Deco Diamonds pattern. We're going to start by sewing down one side, stopping a 1/4 inch from the corner. And just like with regular binding, we're going to sew into the corner straight on. I like to backstitch a little bit. There you can see that. And then we'll fold it up along the seam we just made and line it up with the next edge straight on. Leave enough space up top so nothing's pulling when we turn it inside out. And we just have a little bit of a different angle with this one so that it's lined up with the side. We're going to keep doing that with every side. Here we have a little different angle. I'm going to do the same thing. Fold it up and line it up with the next edge instead of the top like we usually do. Leave enough space there and then keep sewing. I'm going to get all the way around in the same way. And then once we get to the end here, we're going to fold in our beginning and overlap by about 1 inch. We can cut the rest off and have the perfect joining without any headache. I like to glue these together a little bit so it doesn't flap around. And then it's time to turn them inside out. Look at these super crisp edges there we're getting. And then we're going to attach it by stitching in the ditch so the back is going to be sewn too. And on the corners, just like with binding, we don't want noses. We want to fold them in opposite directions. Look at that corner. If you don't want to have halos on your diamonds, you can also sew these 2 pieces right side together and snip the edges. Then we're going to cut across into the back so we can turn it inside out. Make sure to cut that on the right side. And then once we've pushed out the edges and pressed it, we have a really cute diamond. These are going to be sewn on with a seam 1/8 of an inch from the edge. And we can trim the back if we don't want all that extra. If you prefer the binding technique, you can also color match your binding to the diamond. It's going to be a little bit bigger. But look at these really nice and crisp corners. And this one we're going to also stitch in the ditch. And the back side's going to be sewn on with that. I hope you're going to have fun with the diamonds and enjoy the Deco Diamonds pattern.